Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fairuz. I come from the city of Jepara, and I am studying at Unisula General Medicine Program Study. My purpose today is to hold the discussion about epidemiology of avian influenza viruses. To start with, I will describe definition, then I will mention when the disease occur. After that, I will consider tips for bird flu prevention, and finally, I will summarize my presentation, and I will try to answer any your question after my presentation. Okay, let's move on to the definition. Okay, definition of avian influenza. Avian influenza is the highly contagious viral disease characterized by the intense circulation in many wild weather bird reversion population, with periodical introduction into the domestic poultry sector so dangerous that is the called pandemic. In influenza pandemic is an epidemic of influenza virus that spread across the large region and infect a large proportion of the population. Okay, I have explained the definition of epidemiology of bird flu. Let's move to when was flu bird pandemic. Do you know when was flu bird pandemic? Okay, 1996. The virus was first detected in 1996 in geese in China. Okay, Asian H591 was first detected in human in 1996 during the poultry outbreak in Hong Kong, and signs been detected in poultry and wild bird in more than 50 countries of in Africa, Asia, Europa, and the Middle East. Okay, the bird flu pandemic started in 1996. Let's move to the does bird flu infect human? You don't worry, because does bird flu infect human? The answer is rarely. Okay. Bird flu or avian flu is an infection type of influenza that spread among birds. In rare cases, it can infect human. There are lots of different strains of bird flu virus. Most of them don't infect human. Okay, so don't worry, and let's move to tips for preventing bird flu. Okay, preventing tips of we will discuss how to tips for preventing bird flu. Number one is avoid direct contact with bird or poultry, because avoid direct contact with bird or poultry such as in market or in farm, where the environment there can be contaminated by waste from poultry. Don't touch birds that are sick or dead. Number two, wash your hand regularly. Washing your hand regularly can prevent the transmission of bird flu and other germs. If you come into contact with bird dropping and saliva, wash your hand immediately with antibacterial hand soap and water. Okay, summary. From all that I presented earlier, the influenza virus was caused by poultry and occurred in 1996. And how to prevent it? Namely, by avoiding direct contact with sick bird and washing your hand regularly. So easy, man. Okay. Thank you very much. That's all I can say about our topic today. Thank you very much for your great attention. If you have any question, just comment down below. Please forgive if there are any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time and goodbye.